Hello.
Hi.
Kamusta? Do you speak Tagalog?
Not really.
Not really? Okay. So, what do you have in mind? So, color? Color and cut?
Yes. Right.
Wow, that's so nice. What color do you see? Tingnan ako yung chart. You see silver or white?
Like silver platinum. I
Silver
think.
platinum. And you want it from roots to ends, right?
Um.
Meaning it's the whole
Yes.
thing.
Yeah.
Like, because what you can see is you have short hair here. So we have two options. Either leave it like that, and then we do this platinum, silver platinum, or we can also color this platinum,
I think color everything,
like everything, the whole thing. Okay.
but I want to grow it out. I want to grow it out.
Mm.
So
Oh, okay.
do I need to cut like here or like blend it here
Mm.
so it can grow out like
Okay.
evenly?
So basically, we have two options. Either if you're planning to grow it out, basically, you're just gonna clean this and then let it be. Let it be like that. But if you want to maintain it like this, I'm going to cut it. So, but you said a while ago you want to grow it out, right? So I'm just gonna clean like yeah, I'm just gonna cut it like that, and I'm going to color everything.
Okay.
Okay. Sige, I'll show you a chart, and then we'll see if we have the same uh, color palette. Okay?
Okay.
Sige. Okay na. Yan, ma'am.
Hands po.
Ay, salamat. Thank you. Wow,
Fan mo
ganda.
talaga
Ay,
ako.
thank you po. Thank you, thank you. Ganda, ma'am, oh. Ayos?
Super fun.
Pareho pa tayo ng damit, oh.
Ayaw nga.
Ingat po. Pengi daw moisturizer, please. Moisturizer. I'm just gonna put moisturizer. How's it, bro?
Good.
Good?
Nice. Yeah.
So, ayan na siya. Now, the more you wash it, the more it becomes lighter. Okay? Yeah. So, pag tinali mo siyang gano'n, when you do the ponytail, and then you let it grow na lang. Ganda siya, oh. Look like an anime. Yun mo yung peg mo, eh. Nice. Thank you. Ayos ba? Ayos? Thank you. So, ang wash niya is sa LA na. Kasi alis na kayo tomorrow, right? Okay, bro.